the first PETKIT automatic pet feeder with dual hoppers. So, what's the difference? Let's start with doubled volume. Dual hoppers contain more food. Once you close the lid, the food will remain safe and fresh thanks to the triple fresh lock technology. It feeds your pets smoothly on a set schedule. The innovation mechanism achieves precise two-direction rotation, ensuring that dual hoppers distribute food in order. Dual hoppers store staple foods and snacks. They provide a balanced and tasty diet for your pets. Via two menus, you can customize meal plans for a whole week thanks to the two completely separated hoppers. Manual food adding is no longer needed. Hassle-free food transition has become a reality. Multiple types of food ensure your pets get complete nutrition. Dual hoppers release possibilities for feeding your pets on various diets. You can remotely monitor your pet's activity at any time. Hey kitty, you eat on time. The feeder works cordlessly with long-lasting battery life. One spacious food tray is enough for feeding 2 cats. In only a few steps, you can finish the disassembly and cleaning. PETKIT Fresh Element Gemini. Satisfy your pet's various dietary needs.
Tailybuddy